second case with respect to the other defaulters of NSEL has now been postponed to the 3rd and 4th of August. So these two cases are interlinked, yes, but they are now being heard separately by the PMLA court. In fact, let's get some perspective on this as well. Joining in now is senior partner at ALMT Legal, Hitesh Jain. Hitesh, thanks for joining in. In terms of some kind of relief coming in from for Jignesh Shah, it's to an extent a little bit of a relief given the fact that he can at least now apply for bail. Do you believe that weakens the case for the Enforcement Directorate?
Today's order in terms of not getting the further remand is a setback for ED. It also paves the way for Jignesh Shah to apply for the bail. It doesn't affect the merits of the case because I don't think the order of judicial custody or ED police custody or something will have the effect on the merits of the case. But you know, Jignesh Shah was arrested after some time. And when he was arrested, the kind of remand report that he was produced to and all. So in the 5 days, ED had to get their act together and do a proper homework. But if ED has failed to get the custody, that shows that except that the material on which he was interrogated, beyond that they have not been able to lay their hands. I mean, that shows the order more so reflects on the manner in which the investigation is going on. So from that perspective, I think today's order is a setback for ED. It paves the way for Jignesh Shah to apply for the bail, and ED will now have to come up with something really concrete or substantial if they really want to keep him in the custody. But I can certainly say that today's order is not a good development for ED.
Hitesh, but just very quick counter question on that. As far as ED's case is concerned, what can ED do now? What are the options before it? Because as the lawyer was pointing out and as our reporters were pointing out, they haven't yet completed the investigation as per the Enforcement Directorate lawyer. So what is the option before them now?
Well, the only option for ED is to oppose the bail application because if they keep Jignesh Shah in custody, it can put the pressure on Jignesh Shah to cooperate with the investigation because according to ED, Jignesh Shah was blocking all the investigation. So from that perspective, they can present a picture before the court that the investigation is yet to be complete. It is at a crucial stage. If you will allow Jignesh Shah to be let out at this stage, there is a possibility that he may try to hamper the progress of the investigation. He may try to tamper with the material investigation, and since if the investigation is at a crucial stage and if a person is detained for some time, at least till they are able to complete the investigation, then on that limited ground they can try and oppose the bail application, if any, that will be filed by Jignesh Shah. So the only tool that will be available is to give the credibility of the progress of investigation and then try to oppose the bail application.
All right.